हेलो। अगर आप अभी भी हमें देख रहे हैं तो आपकी अटेंशन स्पैन मुझसे तो अच्छी है, सो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस एंड वेलकम टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट।
I
क्या
am
ये
now going to.
एपिसोड मेरी कॉफी स्पेल खत्म हो जाएगा?
I feel so. I can make it happen. Okay, I'll start with a
That's
few
what she said.
things क्योंकि इसने ज्ञान तो दिया है but I'm not sure इसका ज्ञान काफी validated है. So I'm
It's
going to
not.
test his
It's not. मैं खुद
GK a
बोल रहा
little.
हूँ। Oh great.
I'll start with a very easy one which we've seen everywhere. So it's easy for you to like prove yourself what. Be.
हाँ?
Be.
BAE.
BA.
Oh, before anything else. Yes. ये
Anyone
तो
else?
anyone else.
हाँ,
तो ये
fair.
तो अपन बचपन से
ठीक
जो
है,
है my
okay.
bae.
Dink. You don't know Dink. I know Dink.
No, I don't.
It's double income, no kids.
Oh, okay. Now I know. But I had an
You've
idea.
heard of it, huh?
हाँ,
Dink is when, yeah.
भाई kids तो should. बुढ़ापे में कौन सहारा करेगा?
बच्चे भी नहीं देने वाले वैसे
देंगे देंगे.
भाई ये रोड से प्यार कर लेंगे ये नहीं दे रहे ओके डिल्यूजनशिप
Delusionship. Oh, great. I had no idea this word existed.
आई नो राइट
So, delusionship, I think it's one person who thinks that they like love or are in a relationship with the other one, and the other one has no idea about it.
सो बेसिकली आई एम इन अ डिल्यूजनशिप विद विकी
No,
कौशल
it's, in easier terms, it's fangirling or fanboying.
valid okay
Anything else?
what is
You are the
I have a
ghost
good one
runner.
shut up okay I
Exactly.
have
He's the guy next door.
can you stop just picking up books for the fuck of it but okay
Hey, just and you are lost.
हो अंडरवर्ल्ड में जिक्र आया राह के नाम का
Another one.
I taught Vinayak a dating term yesterday, which was the ick. Vinayak, can you tell me
Oh,
what is
great.
an ick?
I thought an ick was an itch, which is आपको खुजली है कोई चीज जानने की. But
An ick is, Vinayak, what is an ick? What is an ick?
short term memory loss.
No.
No, it's
वो हो
absolutely.
गया. An ick is basically when you.
Ick is basically if your partner has done something
Hmm.
and now you don't like it,
Yeah.
so it's like you're disgusted
Yeah.
with it.
Very valid. Very nicely said. So it's an immediate turn off towards someone, more often than not superficial.
Oh, Baba.
Love bombing.
Love bombing, though, I think it's easy. You love someone and then you shower them with everything you have.
Yes,
That's
but
it.
it's not a good thing because it's often done with the intent of manipulation. So that when you pull back, like I know every woman will relate to this. You know how women do this, right? हम 4 दिन
Been
ऐसे
there.
बिना
Been
मेकअप
there,
के
seen it.
बिना ऐसे बाल बनाए बस किसी तरह ऐसे पहुंच जाते हैं ताकि जब हम 5वें दिन तैयार होके आए वो लगे कि भाई क्या सुंदर.
That's love bombing.
So men do that where they give you love every day,
Because
insane amount, so that when they pull back, you have like a absence of it.
in your so ke utha hua phase also.
Whatever, but that's generally done with the intention of manipulation.
बाप रे, नहीं ठीक है.
So to move things a lot more faster in their head.
Never been there, never done that.
Sure, Jan.
Soft launch.
Oh, soft launch, I know. It's
Yeah.
like बिना मुंह दिखाए हुए आपने बता दिया कि that there is someone.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's one hard launch also. No?
Yeah.
Like
देख 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 कैसा खुश हो रहा है साले
Pocketing.
what the hell? Pickpocketing से pick हटा दिया?
नहीं, बस pocketing.
I don't know.
Pocketing is when you refuse to share the partner with friends or family or social media. Like, I'm dating you, but I will not
मतलब like
get
launch
to
you
meet.
anywhere.
हाँ,
भाई साहब.
that's
तो ठीक है.
pocketing.
ये आजकल तो I think pocketing is important. नजर is real stuff.
That's only in India.
मेरे को इस बार रिक्स लेने का ही नहीं है, बिल्कुल रिक्स नहीं लेने का है, पता है।
Hardballing.
अब मैं जा रहा हूँ. I'm done already. Hard
It's
balling.
not sexual at all.
No, like I'm done. क्या है ये hard balling?
Hardballing.
Hard balling.
Hardballing.
Oh, हाँ ठीक है.
Not
It's like playing hard to get.
No, no. I have one loss for Vinayak. Yeah.
I don't know.
Hardballing is when the dater sets expectations at the start. So, like if at a first date I tell you I'm dating with the intention to marry, that's me hardballing.
हाँ जी. Okay.
I'm clear about my priorities. That's
Great.
hardballing.
तो ये तो अच्छी चीज है.
Or if like a man says कि I expect this date to end in so and so, that's hardballing. Benching.
Oh, benching, I know. I think it's you've kept someone कि हाँ ठीक है जब इसका टर्न आएगा तो इसको यूज कर लेंगे.
You're on the bench. Keeping them is an option.
हाँ, as an option. तो benching तो अब सब कर रहे हैं.
Are you?
No. अब भाई I am very peacefully living in my house.
बेंच
And
के लिए
doing
टाइम
nothing.
कहाँ है भाई? एक जो मेन प्लेयर है उसके लिए टाइम मिल जाए.
DM खुलवाओ लोगों के तब मिलेगा.
कुछ नहीं होता है ऐसा डीएम में. बेंचिंग ओके. ब्रेड क्रम्बिंग.
Bread crumbing like थोड़ा थोड़ा सबको दे रहे हैं. तुम भी लो, तुम भी लो, तुम भी लो.
No,
So
that is benching. Bread crumbing is I give you enough to keep you engaged, but don't give you commitment. I give you bread crumbs. I don't even give you bread. That's
full
the
bread.
idea. Yeah.
no, I thought it come with so many people because
That's bench.
that's bench. But benching is breadcrumbing.
I could
plus
do I could do benching and bread crumbing together. But
ये
when
सब नहीं करना है.
करो यार जो मने जिसको मने करो.
Mm.
तुम्हारे नसीब में है
Good
तुम
evil,
करो.
bad evil.
Enmeshment.
Cut.
Enmeshment is which in a relationship in which partners and their lives have become so intertwined, boundaries are ignored and blurred.
Heavy English, I don't know.
That's
Heavy term,
basically Vinayak being
heavy
in love.
term.
He's like, if I'm in love, then I want every part of life.
Every part of her, every part of there. Yeah.
Sexting.
Fex,
Fex.
F-E-X.
F
ये
for
तो
Florida.
मेरे वाले लिस्ट में भी नहीं है.
Yeah, I have a better list.
Fexting
Sexting.
कि थोड़ा थोड़ा फैक्स भेज रहे हैं, मैसेज कर रहे हैं.
F-E-X.
No, I have no idea. I don't know what
When
fex
you
is.
fight over texts. You've done it so
I've
often.
done it, but
Sexting
like-
and you don't know it.
कि जल्दी
It's so good. Before their reply comes, every response gets a reply. That
I
means
am very much into कि एक पैराग्राफ नहीं भेजना है.
Yeah.
छोटे छोटे
छोटे-छोटे
और उसमें पॉइंट
multiple-
छूट जाता है.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Easier one, ghosting.
Oh, ghosting, I know. किसी से बात करो, boom, you're gone.
I have a great ghosting story. The person died. I'm not kidding. I thought they were ghosting me. They were dead.
They were dead. Oh, wait.
I don't want to disclose.
लेकिन एक सेकंड
And then turns out they weren't. I found them on Naukri.com. I don't know why this happens to me. Now you get why I don't date.
I don't have a reference for you.
I am out of the books now. I'm out of syllabus. But groundhogging, that's the next one.
Ground hogging.
Hmm.
If I break it, it's like एक बंदी से बात कर रहे हो आप, and then I don't know what the hell.
Yeah, groundhogging is essentially with the same person, one person. You repeatedly pursue a relationship expecting different results. So, like you drilling holes in the ground that has nothing to give.
What is expecting different results?
Like it keeps like you end up in a fight or you're screaming all the time or you've broken up and you get back together and you're in the same thing with the same
Toxicity.
person. Yeah.
You're
But
toxic.
you're still there because you're expecting
आदत हो
different
गई है.
results. So you're
It's
groundhogging.
basically आदत हो गई है.
Yeah.
Got
Zombieing.
it. Being dead.
Close.
Like
But it's very
pretending.
close to ghosting.
Pretending.
No. So zombieing is when a ghoster comes
Comes
back and refuses to acknowledge that he ghosted you.
I've done that.
You're a zombie.
I did once.
Yeah. So that's a zombie. And that's my list, guys. Vinayak knows fair enough.
because
Well
she-
enough. We need to applaud you. Very well done.
She has done. I think I have 2, 3 only. One is text relationship, which is easy. A relationship which is
Just text based.
which is
Oh my
textual.
god, that's my favorite kind. Can I get those? I just want to text somebody and never meet them.
Then others catfishing.
Catfishing. Oh my
You
god,
know?
I have a great
know?
story for catfishing. Yes.
Okay, great. Tell me.
Catfishing is when you pretend to be someone else on the internet, like you put up a different photo or a younger photo of yourself and
You know-
you're like 50 years old.
You know what happened? There was
Or
this-
you're a woman but you put a man's picture. and
I
things like
have this friend who sends me ki like, why are you on Tinder with some other name? And I'm like, what? Then she sends me a screenshot. It's my pictures and my friend's name. And there was someone who has made a online fake. But उस time मेरी ID open थी.
Yeah.
Insta. Still
Finsta.
open.
Hmm.
So someone else was catfishing on mine and my friend's name. Like, great.
Wow.
वो तो बहुत proud moment था. ये
कि
मेरी
मेरी
photo use हो
catfish
रही
हो रही
है.
What's
Oh,
next?
friend zone. We know we
This
know
is
what's friend zone.
this is more
This
millennial
is-
than Gen Z. Friend zone.
however you make it.
Lovely. Yeah,
मेरा दिल ऐसे बना हुआ
yeah.
था.
Yeah. Friend zone is nice.
Okay, but there are a lot other Gen Z slangs we can.
Oh, okay.
There is
Let's do.
fam, salty, savage, goat, woke, vibing,
सब बताए, सब बताए.
low-key, high-key, yeah.
हाँ, हाँ. This.
Bass, simp, slay, thirsty,
Yes.
stan. You know what stan
Stan
is?
is.
What
I
is
stand it. Like if I stand for something, if I believe in something, and I will fight for that opinion, that's stan.
Great. Troll, wig,
Wig is
lit,
wig is
slay,
lie. I think.
expression of shock or amazement. Anyways,
Huh.
banger, clout. You know what's clout?
Clout. Yeah.
No idea.
Tora.
Oh, Tora. Oh,
Tora is
okay.
clout.
Swag, YOLO, FOMO, Finsta, I'm dead. I'm dead, I know.
I'm
Spill the
dead.
tea,
Yeah.
Delulu, Zululu. Don't know what sus is. S-U-S.
Sus. Yeah, that's
What's
sus. Like your entire personality is a little sus.
Oh,
Suspicious.
suspicious. Cringe, OP, slay.
Cringe.
Cringe.
Cringe is fine.
Cringe, OP, slay. That we all know.
This is quite obvious. Gen Z has nice. I think Gen Z terms का ये है कि like you said, right? You've done fexting, but you didn't call it fexting.
Because I had no idea कि इसके लिए
Exactly.
term है.
Exactly. So I think what Gen Z does is just label a lot of things. Which is
Technically-
surprising because they don't label their relationships. No, that's actually a millennial thing. We don't like to label our relationships.
Technically trying to make it easy while making it hard.
And on that note,
I think कॉफी खत्म हो गई है, एपिसोड भी खत्म कर देते हैं हम.
जी
Bye.
बिल्कुल. अगर अच्छा लगे प्लीज लाइक शेयर कमेंट सब्सक्राइब रेट do what you do and see you next time. Bye.